Motorcycle Show 2024 Yoshimura XSR125 parts. New titanium hand-bent Cyclone developed for the Z1. Yoshimura's XSR125 compatible straight Cyclone was recently released. It has been attracting attention as a part that perfectly suits the neo-retro style, and we spotted a demo model of it at the Tokyo Motorcycle Show. Equipped with the latest parts in addition to the exhaust, it was a machine to look out for. And there was also a Cyclone exhaust at the booth that caught our attention. We would like to introduce this as well. The 70s